Hey guys, it's Todd Root here at Tim Short Dodge in Middlesboro, Kentucky. I'm in a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I'm going to show you how to do Apple CarPlay on this UConnect 4C nav system. First, you'll need a genuine Apple Lightning cable, which is basically the charging cable for the iPhone. You'll plug it into your charging port on the phone, and then right here you'll see where it says CarPlay. Hit that button. And basically what is on your iPhone is displayed onto the infotainment screen here. You've got your phone, music, maps, messages, audio books, Spotify, and it's also got just little quick tabs right here. Shows the time, your cell phone signal, Wi-Fi, and then it's got a home button.
Do you want to call?
To go back to the home screen. But that's about it. You can do all kinds of stuff. If you don't have navigation on your UConnect system, you can do Apple CarPlay and use your cellular data and do navigation that way. Thanks, guys.